The main thing about the Frizzlife auto shut off is that you will need power to run this. So if the power goes out, it won't work obviously. Same for the Wi-Fi unless you put in a backup battery, but it does have backup reminders. If something goes wrong, it can auto shut off, so you can kind of set this up. People like to say you just leave it and kind of forget it. That is a nice thing. It does have all the presets on the top here for configuring basically the protection, the valves, the parameters of stuff, or you can do it through their app. So you don't have to do it through their app if you don't want to, but I would recommend it. Also in the box, something really big to keep in mind is you need to know like how big your pipes are. It needs to be between 3/4 inch and 1 inch pipe. And it does have the adapters for that. It gives you the charger or the power source, and then also gives you tape to run around this to make sure it's not leaking, as you're gonna have to install this yourself. That is a drawback, but at least you'll have the ability to know how much water going through here. And also here, if you go look through the valve with query in the top right, it'll also give you the temperature of the water. So that's good for water heaters. If you want to know if something is breaking, if it's not going to the correct temperature, you know the flow of water of what temperature it will be at. You also will know how much water is going through, and it will automatically detect if there is a leak, basically less pressure in it, then it will automatically shut off the water to your house within 0.01 GPM basically of the flow. So very small flow detection, which is absolutely fantastic. Shows you how to set up and use the app and connect the device to Wi-Fi as well inside of this. Overall, a very heavy duty device. It is plastic, but the main thing inside is all metal. So keep that in mind. This is the battery type, 3.74 lithium battery. And overall, it's a very small device for how much it can impact your house, especially if you have an older house. I recommend getting one of these. So if you have an older house, this obviously will help check up on the house more regularly compared to someone who has newer pipes. Overall, it's made out of nice material, and thank you for them for sending this out. Hope this helped you, and I'll see you in the next one.